Assalamualaikum, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade from Windows 10 to 11 for free without using a USB drive or losing any of your data. If you find this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. To get started, open your preferred web browser and search for Download Windows 11. Click on the first official Microsoft website that appears in the search results. Once you are on the page, scroll down until you find the section titled Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO for x64 devices. From the drop-down menu, select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Next, choose your preferred product language. I'm going with English United States for this tutorial. Finally, click on the 64-bit download button. A large ISO file will start downloading immediately. So sit back and wait for it to complete. Now, we need to extract this ISO file. To do that, open your browser and search for WinRAR download. Head over to the official website, download WinRAR, and during the installation setup, make sure to check the box for ISO files along with the other formats. Then, complete the installation normally. Next, go to your downloaded ISO file, right-click on it and select Extract to the folder name. This will extract all the setup files into a separate folder. Once it's done, open that extracted folder. Inside, right-click on any empty space, go to New and select Text Document to create a new text file. Open it up and type the following command exactly. I'm going to add this command in the description. You can copy it from there. Now, go to File, click Save As, name the file update.bat and save it. Once saved, double-click on this update.bat file, then a pop-up window for the upgrade process will appear instantly. If it doesn't open on the first try, don't worry, just try running it 2 or 3 times. Click Next on the setup screen. Here, you will see the option to choose what you want to keep. If you don't want to lose any of your data or apps, select the first one. If you only want to save your personal files, select second one. If you want a completely fresh start and don't want to keep anything, select nothing. Click Next again. The setup will now run some automated background checks for updates and storage space. So just sit tight and let it finish. Finally, click on the Install button to start the installation process. Just follow the on-screen instructions from here. Your PC will restart several times during the process and your system will automatically upgrade to Windows 11. Once the upgrade is complete, you can easily verify it. Just click on the Windows icon and open Settings as you can see on my screen. I have successfully upgraded to Windows 11. And that's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.